Good morning, students. Today we are going to see one interesting poem, Walk a Little Slower. This poem is written by a known poet. It means poet's name is not available in record. Therefore, it is known as unknown. In this poem, a child is talking to its father. The importance of the father as a role model is the central idea of this poem. Throughout the poem, walk is used as a metaphor for the journey of life. Children, let's understand stanza-wise explanation of the poem. Let's learn stanza number 1. Walk a little slower. Walk a little slower, Daddy, said a little child so small. I am following in your footsteps and I don't want to fall. Here, walk means to communicate someone's actions, thoughts, and feelings to someone so that he or she can understand. And fall means do not want to be unsuccessful in achieving something. In the first stanza, the poet says that the little child requests its father to walk little slower. It means the child wants to understand the actions of its father better. The child adds that it is following in its father's footsteps. It means it wants to follow the same way of life. It means the child wants to follow the same way of life. The child does not want to fall. It means it does not want to be a failure in life. Hence, the request to slow down. Children, let's understand stanza number 2. Sometimes your steps are very fast. Sometimes they are hard to see. So, walk a little slower, Daddy, for you are leading me. Here, leading means guiding. In the second stanza, the little child tells its father, sometimes your steps are very fast, so it is difficult to me to understand. And some other times they are too hard to see. It means the child at sometimes finds it difficult to understand the actions of its father and wants him to be more considerate to his needs. According to the child, it is important because the father is leading him. It means the father is the child's role model in life. Children, let's understand stanza number 3. Someday when I am all grown up, you are what I want to be. Then I will have a little child who will want to follow me. In the third stanza, the speaker says that it means the little child says that when it is grown up, it wants to be exactly like its father. And in future, when the child will have a little child, that child will follow in the footsteps of its father. It means the present child as a father then. Let's understand last stanza of the poem. And I would want to lead just right and know that I was true. So walk a little slower, Daddy, for I must follow you. In the fourth stanza, the child adds that it wants to lead its future child just as the way its father leads it now. So it is important to make sure that it leads its future child in the true way. For that, the child must now understand its father's actions better. Hence, the child requests its father again to go a little slower. In this poem, we have seen a little child request his father to walk slower because he wants to understand his father as a role model. In this way, we have seen this poem. Thank you.